Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will analyze Orion protocol along 7 key dimensions, and on the basis of this information, we will make a price prediction. So if that sounds interesting, keep on watching the video. So here are the 7 key dimensions which we will be considering. The first dimension is team. The second dimension is social media presence. The third dimension is value proposition. The fourth dimension is partnerships. The fifth dimension is traction and development. The sixth dimension is exchange listings. And the seventh dimension is price history. So let's go ahead and explore Orion protocol along these 7 key dimensions. So the team of Orion protocol is very diverse with concrete competences in blockchain business strategy, where they have been involved in blockchain projects like Holochain, Morpheus Network, Matrix AI, and Quant Network. In the marketing domain, their chief marketing officer, Timothy Horwell, is experienced in business development and worked with companies like Telefonica UK, where she led a marketing and research division successfully. Their head of development, Eduardo Moreira, is the CEO and founder of the development firm EYSS and has many years of experience as an IT director in various multinationals. Also, their technical team has decades of experience among them in software architectures, blockchain technology, front-end and back-end development. So all in all, it is a solid blend of expertise in various domains needed to support the project as it gets traction in the market. And now let's explore Orion protocol along the second dimension, which is social media presence. So as you can see on Telegram, Orion protocol has over 14K members. Also on Twitter, as we can see, they have over 43,000 followers. Also, many influencers on YouTube have noticed the potential of this project and are creating awareness of Orion protocol. So all these factors converge to the fact that online presence of Orion protocol is very strong and growing rapidly, and this is very encouraging considering the fact that the project is relatively new. And now let's explore Orion protocol along the third key dimension, which is value proposition. So Orion protocol is uniquely positioned in the DeFi space as a one-stop shop for all crypto investors, brokers, dApps, and traders. So essentially, it eliminates the need to switch from one exchange to other due to Orion's terminal, where all exchanges are integrated to one ecosystem, and the ORN token lies at the core of it, which has over 16 revenue streams. So in short, it provides traders with the best trading experience in the space. So recently, the team has been focused on providing an intuitive, streamlined, and user-friendly interface that is only provided by very few projects currently like Swissborg and Coty. So in short, Orion protocol has great positioning and value proposition, which is going to be realized by a committed team, as we will see shortly. And now let's explore Orion protocol along the fourth key dimension, which is partnerships. And this is where the Orion protocol truly shines. As we can see that the list of partnerships just goes on and on and on. We won't go into the detail of all these partnerships, and we will only focus on the most impactful out of all of them. So Oracle protocol has forged partnerships with tier 1 exchanges like Binance, with the market-leading Oracle called Chainlink, with Kira Network for non-custodial staking, and all these partnerships will help Orion protocol to provide and realize its value proposition. Oracles, as we know, enable the smart contracts to assess real-world data and therefore enables dApps to span many real-world use cases. And as Orion protocol gets more traction, and as the DeFi space evolves, it will help Orion protocol to provide value across numerous use cases. Also, other prominent partnerships are with Forbes, as well as the partnership with Holochain and Elrond. Now, the partnership within the scope of WeWork Labs is very important and speaks volume of the future impact of Orion protocol, because along with MakerDAO and Swissborg, it is one of the founding members of WeWork's FinTech Labs incubator. So I would say that Orion protocol team has been extremely professional in forging these partnerships, And as they stated on top, our partners are not just for optics. Alongside highly strategic partnerships with the likes of WeWork, we have partnered with some of the best blockchains, distributed ledger technologies, and crypto projects in the industry. We have hand-chosen the very best companies to partner with to further our mission of creating a complete DeFi solution. So as far as partnerships are concerned, Orion Protocol team has done an excellent job in this extremely important area. If this video has given you some value so far, please press the like button because the YouTube algorithm likes it and it helps my channel grow. I will really appreciate this kind gesture because it means world to me. And most of all, it fuels my passion to bring quality content to you on regular basis. Thank you, and let's proceed to the next part of the video. And now let's explore Orion Protocol along the fifth key dimension, which is traction and development. So Orion Protocol is one of those projects which can be classified as a solid long-term hold. So as we can see that a lot of good events are coming up in the coming 30 days, meaning from the mid of March till the mid of April. I have highlighted the key events in the coming 30 days. But I know that you like my voice a lot. And also I value your time, so I will just read them out for you one by one in the order of importance. So the first key event is Mainnet terminal launch. The second one is ORN token staking. The third one is that the DEX kit will be rolled out. The fourth one is that the wallet swap SDK will be rolled out. The fifth one is the Oracle launch. And the sixth one is collateral optimization. So the months of March and April are very special for Orion Protocol and will pave the way towards real adoption of Orion Protocol. But that is not all. Orion Protocol recently teamed up with Corti, which is another DeFi project on which I am really bullish. So in this partnership, Orion Protocol will enhance the liquidity of the Corti network. So as I said, it is not just March, but the long-term growth in which I am interested. So as the vision of Orion Protocol converts into reality, we will see a long-term organic growth fueled not just by hype, but with real adoption. And this is the most amazing thing about Orion Protocol, since we can accumulate and hold Orion tokens for long-term growth and get really good returns on our investment. And now, let's explore Orion Protocol along the sixth key dimension, which is the exchange listings. So one of the most stressful things for many projects is that they are listed on small exchanges and liquidity can be a problem. But in case of Orion Protocol, it is listed on many tier 1 exchanges like Binance, as we can see on CoinMarketCap. And this means that one can easily accumulate them by dollar cost averaging and sell them for a profit too after conducting technical analysis to gauge the viability of the trade. So it means that as far as exchange listings is concerned, the Orion Protocol team has done a fantastic job in creating good partnerships with the tier 1 exchanges and listing the ORN token on these exchanges as a result of those partnerships. And now let's explore Orion Protocol along the seventh key dimension, which is price history and current price. So since the 1st of November 2020, price went from $1.4 to around $20 on the 10th of March 2021, as we can see over here. And this is a mind-blowing 13x increase in just 4 months. And since then, the price has corrected to around $17. Therefore, we are surely on a very strong uptrend. And therefore, slow accumulation is better to avoid the risk of a harsh 40 to 50% correction. Of course, I am very bullish on Orion Protocol as a project in the long term, but at this stage, slow accumulation will reduce the average price of tokens in our portfolio. And that should be our ultimate goal if we want to make Orion Protocol's token ORN a part of our crypto portfolio. And now we proceed to the most interesting part of this video, which is the price prediction. So looking at the very small token supply of just around 20.5 million ORN tokens and a very small market cap of just $339 million, we can see it growing to a market cap of at least $1 billion since the caliber of the project is on par with projects like Swissborg, even though its value proposition is different. Also, considering the 7 key dimensions, which are the team, the social media presence, value proposition, partnerships, traction and development, exchange listings, and price history, and in particular looking at the events in the coming 30 days, I believe that it is the time for slow accumulation, because after these key functionalities and features are rolled out, the real adoption of Orion protocol will start. So by taking into account all the information which we presented while exploring Orion protocol along the 7 key dimensions, a market cap of $1 billion in this bull run is actually conservative. And it means that our conservative price prediction of Orion protocol token ORN is $50, which will take us to a market cap of around $1 billion in the coming 4 to 6 months, if the bull run lasts. Of course, we cannot rule out the possibility of black swan events and the start of the new bear market, so nothing can be said for sure, but I personally believe that Orion protocol has a good, solid, long-term potential due to its unique value proposition and positioning in the market. I hope that you liked the contents of this video. To remain up to date with key updates and information regarding hidden crypto gems, which can give us good returns in this ongoing bull run, I will really appreciate if you click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell and select the option all so that you can get the notifications of the upcoming videos as soon as they are released. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.